LG's 65-inch 4K OLED rollable TV is back. We saw it last year and it was pretty incredible. Well, guess what? It's even cooler now. It's been re-engineered, so it's a super ultra-thin display with a rigid spine that has been re-engineered for repeated consumer use. The box that the TV rolls back into has also been re-engineered. It's sleeker looking, it's silver, it's black, it has speakers built inside of it. Screen still looks fantastic. It rolls up and down at about the same speed. But it's an exciting co-project between LG Displays and LG Electronics, which by the way means that neither one of them could tell me exactly how much it's going to cost and when it's going on sale. Now, the TV itself can roll all the way back into the box, or you can roll it down part way. So it can be a low-profile display that shows you news, weather, photographs if you like, or you can just keep it dark and just play music, so it's kind of like a rather boxy sound bar. Now, what's even more exciting about this is that LG Display let me get up close and personal with the display. I wasn't allowed to touch it, and in fact I tried to use the remote and couldn't figure it out, so someone did it for me. But still, it was a lot of fun to see exactly how it works and see the high quality of the screen and the high quality of the construction. Now, when I rolled it back up, I did speed up the film because, well, I don't have that much time, and who can wait for this whole thing to roll out each time? But it is exciting to see it back on the show floor at CES 2019 and that much closer to consumer availability. Soon, homes around the world will have rollable 4K TVs.
And in color too.
Nope, totally.